Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to crochet this easy and fast blanket. You can make any sized blanket using this crochet stitch. For more information, check out the drop-down description box below this video. You can also find this blanket pattern for free to view on my website, jannamartinez.com. For lots of fun, printable patterns using this stitch, you can visit my Etsy or Ravelry shops. Thank you for watching! Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Now let's get started. For materials, you can use any yarn you like. I am using this Bernat super bulky blanket yarn today. To see how I use lighter yarns or multiple yarns held together, be sure to watch all the way to the end of this video. I am using the N 10mm crochet hook in this tutorial. Shown here are some other examples of good crochet hooks to go with this yarn. Other handy tools will be scissors, a flexible tape measure, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, make a slip knot of your choice. Then chain as many as you want, or until your chain is as long as you need your blanket to be wide. Remember, the loop on your hook never counts as a chain. Here I have chained 9. This yarn is very hard to see, but the chain creates V's all the way down, and you can count this top loop while the chain is facing you. Now into the second chain from hook, half double crochet. Half double crochet into each chain all the way down your work. Next, chain 1 and turn to begin row 2. For this row, we will half double crochet in between each stitch. Normally, half double crochet stitch is done into the top of the stitch here. But for this smooth looking half double crochet, you're going to be going in between each stitch all the way down your work. Continue placing half double crochet in between each stitch all the way to the end of your work. Your last stitch will go into that turning chain 1 space. Chain 1, turn, and now repeat row 2 until your project is as large as you like. So here are a few basic tips that I use all the time. First off, this is how I change colors or even add a new ball of yarn. Start a half double crochet. Once you have 3 loops on your hook, grab your new yarn and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Then chain 1 and turn, and begin your next row. With those tails, you are going to tie them together, and now we can either crochet them into our work, or you can use a yarn needle and weave them in. Here I will show how you crochet over them. It's nice when these tails are really nice and long. The other way to weave in ends, which I actually prefer, you will use your yarn needle and just kind of go with the stitches. Once it is woven in several different directions and looks secure to you, you can snip off the excess yarn. Last but not least, finishing your blanket. Once you have completed the last stitch of your blanket, you can snip your yarn and pull the tail through the last loop on your hook. This is a very secure method of finishing your blanket. Now just weave in that tail. This stitch is a great stash buster as you can use it for pretty much any yarn you like. Here I wanted to show you a quick clip of me using a 10mm crochet hook and 3 strands of worsted weight yarn held together. You don't have to bulk up your yarns like this. You can also use a worsted weight yarn and any hook that you're comfortable using. If you are not sure what hook size to choose for your project, the bigger the hook, the more squishy and flexible your project will be in this stitch. And a smaller hook will make thicker and heavy projects, like rugs or mats. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can help support this channel by using the Super Thanks button below and donating, or by purchasing a pattern from my Etsy or Ravelry shop. Other ways to support this channel for free is to click the like button, share this video with your friends, leave a comment, and click the subscribe button if you haven't. I hope you enjoy crocheting this easy and fast blanket. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again soon in my next tutorial.